In this video, I will walk you through step by step on how to recover lost access to a TikTok account without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open a particular TikTok app. Open a TikTok app. Then having opened up a TikTok app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the profile right here. You can use any type of TikTok account to recover a TikTok account. It can be for you or for someone, as the case may be. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this three slider from the top. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on settings and privacy right here. Just like so. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on security and permissions. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on security checkup. Under the security checkup, go ahead and click on app. At this point right here, select recover your account. Just like so. Now look up your account. So what you need to do right here is to enter the account username or the email address you used to create the account that you want to recover. So I'm going to go ahead and enter a name right here. Or you can as well search by phone number. Having entered a name, you can see search. Go ahead and click on search. So go ahead and click on search. Then here you go. Now you have some information being masked right here. The email address, if you still have access to the email address, or you can still remember the email address you used to create the account, you can select email. If you remember the password you used to create the account, you can enter password. However, if you cannot remember anything, both the email, the password, or phone number as the case may be, you can simply click on can't access this. And this is going to pump up right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on request support. So here we go. Hi, we recommend trying all the recovery methods available on the previous page. If you cannot add a link to third-party account, or we recommend try to log in with this third-party account by tapping the button below. So at this point here, next thing you want to do is to simply click on this. We have received your feedback. There is anything that we can help you. Click on this again. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on here and speak with customer support for your account recovery ticket. So just type, can I talk to support? Hit on send. Working on it. To connect, you probably is your issue, forgot password, nothing, something else. So you have to make sure you keep on response to whatever question come up right here. So yes, that is it. Forgot password. If it is a forgot password, choose that is it. If it's not a forgot password, simply click on no, something else. Then another question will pump up right here. Submit a ticket. Describe your issue to submit a ticket, and your support team and our support team will get back to you shortly. Go ahead and click on submit a ticket and fill up your detail right here. With that, your account will be definitely recovered from TikTok through the assistance of TikTok support team. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.